Okay, today we're working on oak and scraped flooring. We are making it smooth thanks to our Paoloni wire brushing machine with a Tinex brush grit 120. So we clean the surface before staining with the color soft brown. This is before finishing. Minitunnel 320 at work. We are now applying the first coat of brown walnut color. You can see the stain is applied by bevel to bevel perfectly without making any blobs on the planks and without any drops on the tongue and groove. Okay, so you can see how structured is the plank, and now perfectly stained thanks to Minitunnel machine made in Italy by Paoloni company. Actually, we have to smooth the surface after a water-based stain application, so the grain of the wood reacted with the lifting of the grain, so we have to sand it, and we will use our machine with a paper sanding drum able to make it perfectly smooth before application of the second coat. So give a look to the machine, how it works. We have adjusted the speed of advance with the middle speed and the rotation speed with a good impact to make the paper 320 grit working properly. Here you can see how the color, thanks to the Minitunnel machine, is evenly applied, and we have a perfect respect of the grain of the wood and the scraped job made before by hand by our specialized operators, and we are actually able to present a very smooth surface thanks to the job of the Paoloni wire brushing machine, used like a sanding machine with a specific paper sanding lamellar drum. We are actually applying two components extra matte lacquer thanks to Minitunnel machine. You can see how the product is flowing down by the vertical roller, and the vertical roller is applying equally 70-80 grams each square meter, and the whipping brush is finishing the product on the floor. So this is what we got, a perfectly evenly finished application, and we will apply two coats of that finish lacquer to have a completely finished floor. Here I show you against the light the quantity of lacquer that you are able to apply thanks to the Minitunnel machine, and we let it dry naturally. All the times it will be needed a couple of hours, and as always, Minitunnel is able to apply without any waste of product and without any loss of finishing on the tongue and grooves. Perfectly applied and evenly distributed on the planks. Here we are finally at the finished floor results. As you can see, we have used 10 gloss 2 components lacquer to finish the flooring that now has all the aged effect of a very distressed and made distressed flooring. Thanks to Minitunnel machine and the combination of a wire brushing machine for sanding between the first and the second coat, we have a perfectly smooth surface, and that's all the amazing quality of Made in Italy flooring made with Made in Italy machines.